Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to Gary Bettman Investments. In today's video, we're going to look at the recent collapse of the FTX token and pretty much look at the fundamentals and technicals, where I think price is going, how have we hit the bottom, could we go lower, what's the rest of the cryptos doing, and then some recent news that's come out in the last hour or so. So with that said, let's get into the video. So as right now, we can see that FTX is at $17.76. We have gotten a little bit of a bounce from the lows, or as low as $14.56. So at one point we were down, or price was down about 48%. Obviously, some of the recent news that has come out is FTX won't allow users or investors to withdraw their tokens. Um, the reason why we got this nice pop here was pretty much that Binance announced that they will acquire FTX. And then the other thing to point out is Australian crypto fund has sold all their FTX tokens. So this fund is called DigitalX. So just to point that out as well. But let's look at the technicals quickly. So as we can see, FTX has been in this channel since September 21st, making pretty much lower lows and lower highs. It also has respected this support area between 24 and $21 nicely. But as we've seen as a recent dump, we have broken this key support area. And like I mentioned yesterday on Twitter, the key area to look at was $14.84. If you're not following me on Twitter, link in the description, giving you updates on charts and news. So yeah, this 1484 area was a key demand zone. We saw it bounce up. This 1170 is a key support area on the daily. So these two areas are the key areas I'm looking out for. I mean, if price continues to do these higher or lower highs and lower lows, we could see price come down all the way down to the bottom of this trend line, possibly going below 10, $8.64. Key thing to point out is we probably want price to stabilize around here so that we don't see any more drawdown in other cryptos. We have seen a bounce recently, but that is something to point out. If we go down to the daily here, we're going to see once again why these areas are key. We had some resistance around here, which eventually broke. Like I said, this is around that $11 area, $11 to $12 area. We've already got a bounce here because there was demand. We saw a nice strong rally up, and price came back and tested that zone. What we could see in the short term, if Binance, if the acquirement goes well, is possibly just to move back up to $20 to retest this, maybe come back down, create a double bottom, and then move back up to this trend line. But that's what I'm looking at right now. There's a lot of mixed signals out there. People saying this is just a dead cat bounce, we're going lower. Some people saying we're bottomed, we're going higher. I mean, there is an inverted head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin to pay attention at on the weekly that could lead to a price target of 25 bucks. But that's all I got to say today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.